Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, today, right, I'm going to show you a video. This video clip, right, it's coming from one of your favorite quote-unquote dandem. You to them called Ramos, right, from Walton Bad Breed. Now, I understand, so nowadays people take all kind of things. I don't know if it's the Molly or the perk. I don't know if it's the Diet Coke. But something I go on with Ramos. But no say, right, him having fans them. But then if you check on him, something not too right with Ramos. This video writer so, I don't know if I the Diet Coke because even nowadays I used to them all mix up certain things with the Diet Coke or you know, if I'm Molly boss in my head, I don't know, right? I can't keep up with the latest exotic pill them on not take. But something right with Ramos. One at a time Mr. Ramos, right? Well, you're going to see the video clip, right? So I go play it, phone. I go also touch upon, right? You know, a home invader in Portland where them basically stamp out. Right? Remember the movie Stamp? Well, they stamp him out. We'll talk about that too. Tomorrow, we have a video coming. But even time to do the video upon, you know, well, not one of your favorite artists. I tell them to say, I'm not going to hear about some other people mention. We're not going to see a video upon one of them tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. Luckily, right, your favorite artist is a man who, right, love record, love take picture and love take video. So, right, we have one of them people there who drop tomorrow. Let me say you don't want to miss it. But from going further, we have a special Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Lamar or LG, right? Long time Patreon supporter. Ex-Wolmers, he's currently all the way in Q8. Yes, Q8. That's a far trip from Harriman. Lamar, stay safe, right? Keep your head on a swivel. Know your thing already. Know the type of, let's just say, activities them, right, where you specialize in. Right. Just make it back in a one piece. Right. Lamar, aka LG, big up yourself. Have a great day. Right. As good of a day as I can. Right. And you don't know it already. May reason more time, so. Right. But I really have to say much on this one. Lamar, big up yourself. Happy birthday, see. So, make you get back to Ramos. Check out this clip.
Blood clot JC about that. $15 the near, me AK the near. Full of beer blood clot all of tip. Pussy you don't know that. And any camera bust out on the head. Beer all of tip. Mad in the blood clot here, I hear. Let me get the last laugh. Freaks. Batty boys. Ramp with people. I play with blood clot people, man. Boy, go near out to no girl and near out to no mother. That me I tell you now. All in back of that. I'm bad for real. Pussy. Near 15, heave up. Me AK heave up. I'm a Glocks with my clips them up. Pussy, me not sleep at night. Murder to one in this. It's not just one from some to family, dog. Mad in the blood clot, yeah. Hurry blast off. Suck no mother. Oh no. Bad blood clot, boy. You got me killers on for the life. Loyalty will sustain, you hear that?
Does that look like somebody who do things because them just want a slice of bread, or somebody want to make you feel like them at the body thing online? No, you mention about JCF and you see him, mention about him. The reason I talk is because him know, so which part in the JCF now in the jurisdiction. See, Ramos think him smart, Remember one time when you post the picture, side one local, Casco version a JCF officer. One time you take the picture and you saw a man now like one red C uniform, I tell him say, a unicorn meet that in the police. That's not JCF. That's not even Iron Man. Ramos, that try to make you look like him the Iron Man. Unicorn meet. So now, you might talk about the JCF, because he's not a JCF. Can't do nothing because he's not in JCF jurisdiction. But even so, this is somebody who was mentioned in the J-Man and Teletubby thing. Even all of that, him can't help himself. Him still have to show you, say, see it, man, a bad man, some Genghis Khan or some all-conquering ruler who will invade your whole world and destroy it. And that desire for them is too great. They can't keep calm. Even when them get away, they come like Pitney. Alright, let me try one more time. Oh, I never get myself mashed up the last time, Let me try again. Oh, I never get catch and convicted last time. Let me go up on live and make a fool of myself. Let me go up on live with show gun and all kind of things, because then when time then get catch, remember the same so-called fans them will boost them up. When they get catch, the same fans them come out and say, John, bro, free, bro. You have to understand, these so-called fans are highly acidic LIQs. They enjoy watching people self-destruct. And tell Mr. Youth, right? What not do? When they're foreign, you get a chance to go foreign and bet down yourself. And when they're foreign and push badness and a war and all kind of things. Right? People say, you left the money, me chat too much. They don't tell them self-destruct. The same fans them who left the man themselves. Boy, them man, they fool the man. Look how J-Man fool, look how Teletubby fool, and them that help boost it up. People are acidic and destructive. But that's the culture. So them now go stop until they hear say, right, all time bad breed. Ramos, self-destruct. They are got jail, and the same people them who that say, yo, load the man, bad man, the man finish shows. I go say, boy, ain't fooling, look how you got foreign, go match up himself. And then they find somebody else they attach themselves to, and then boost them up and watch them self-destruct. Them youth get chance enough Iron money that want. And even time they make money, I'll go take the money by gun. Right, to help further mash up the communities them come from the Iron Man. But then again, they come to that gun assault, I'm bad man. Because clearly I want to back out there them, and I want the big red boot them. So, Ramos, me only for the diet coke, me only for the Molly. No, I'm touched on Portland briefly. See reports in the media. Woman invader get stamped out, beaten to death in Portland. These stories are very frequent in Portland. I tell you, Portland have a different culture. Portland is the only parish in Iron Man that still feel like old-time Iron Man. People do things differently there. And they're not very kind to criminals, gunmen and them people there. But the part of the story that stand out to me is that when them catch the woman invader, people them initially started calling the police. They were calling the police. Guess who come help them? Them neighbors. Neighbors hear the noise, right? And neighbors come help them. The police, by the time the police turn up, they just have done get subdued and mash up a long time. Right, so what that showing instead, they call the police in rural places like Portland not go work. If you live somewhere like Portland with the nearest police station, no near, you no problem. If you live somewhere deep in our rural community, try call the police. Right. If you live somewhere where the police jeep might not even can make it over there, so over the road bad. This is why community is important. Community is important because you need neighbors when time them area make noise, them know say time to act. And have neighbors that will act because some community never now come. some community, people you ball out, them a put them finger in them ears and say, yo, she salt, him salt. Right. Unfortunately for them thief here, them go try to Portland, a place that still operate like a community. I'm not a big fan of you being in danger and calling police and waiting for police turn up. You might hear say the Jeep, no gas, you might hear say the Jeep gone somewhere else, you might, especially in the rural part of Jamaica. All of them things there. Anything will involve response and reacting is a major disadvantage already. Anyway, Patriots squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Patriots squad, see you circling. Bless.